In the 4.0 era, technology has contributed greatly in optimizing our performance and productivities. One of those applications is that how technology has been helping students and scholars in taking and organizing notes. In today's videos, we'd like to propose an incredibly useful and free tool that can provide a concise and logical means of taking notes. It can be seen that the conventional note-taking methods, both by hand or typing, cannot meet the demands for an ultimate application which needs to be coherent, convenient, and has a logical structure. Notion, what is that? Is an app which acts as a workspace, providing you an all-in-one service for notes, organization, tasks, calendars, and more, and is available on all operating systems, Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. It provides you a coherent structure for organizing pages and contents. Notion has a wide range of bulleted points, lists, toggle lists, headlines, subheads, etc. And for that reason, you can arrange your information and find the information that you want to search for easily.
Taking note has never been such an easy task since the appearance of optical character recognition technology, which transfers printed text to digital form. Google has developed an utility called Google Lens on Google Search that allows users using the cameras to not only search for text information, but they can also use it to copy the text down. Apple also has a similar feature called Live Text on the new iOS 15, which can even recognize handwritten text. Text recognition tools may help students a lot in taking notes, especially in an online class. They may optimize the time for students in noting and give them more time in comprehending the lessons.
In the last part of the video, I will introduce a few simple tools for group work. Firstly, we have Miro, an online collaborative whiteboard platform. It's easy to create the framework by modifying an existing template. Use the command tool or sticky notes and even emoji reactions to give feedback and encouragement. Then send it to your friends and you guys can brainstorm ideas together. Secondly, we have Google Docs, which let you create, share, and collaborate on documents online, sending it as an attachment, receiving multiple revisions, and merge edits. With Google Docs, everyone works on the same version in real time. Lastly, we have Google Sheet, which is helpful for the team to keep track of their work. Your team can create a timeline here which is clear and easy to follow and then share it to your members.
With the tools, the note-taking step will be much easier and more time-saving for students, which will help them to concentrate better on the lessons. This is the end of our video. Thank you for your watching.